Balcony lighting requirements are not uniform across all locations. It is essential to consult your local building department to determine the specific codes and regulations in place in Massachusetts. Generally, if a balcony is accessible directly from a habitable room, such as a living room or bedroom, a light fixture is typically required. The primary rationale behind this requirement is safety. Adequate illumination on a balcony serves several important purposes. Firstly, it significantly reduces the risk of falls and other accidents, particularly during nighttime hours or in low light conditions. A well-lit balcony allows occupants to clearly see the walking surface, potential obstacles, and the edges of the balcony, thereby minimizing the likelihood of tripping or stumbling. Secondly, balcony lighting enhances visibility when entering or exiting the balcony. This is particularly important at night, as it enables individuals to safely transition between the interior and exterior spaces. Without sufficient lighting, it can be difficult to judge distances and navigate the balcony area, potentially leading to accidents. Thirdly, lighting deters unwanted activity. A well-lit balcony is less attractive to potential intruders and can help to improve the overall security of the building. Consider that the specific requirements for balcony lighting can vary depending on factors such as the size of the balcony, the type of building, and the local climate. For example, some jurisdictions may require a certain level of illumination, measured in lumens or foot candles, to be maintained in the balcony surface. Others may specify the type of light fixture that must be used, such as a weather-resistant fixture with a protective lens. Furthermore, some building codes may require that balcony lighting be controlled by a switch located inside the adjacent habitable room. This allows occupants to easily turn the light on or off as needed. In addition to these general considerations, there may be specific requirements related to energy efficiency and light pollution. Many jurisdictions are now adopting stricter energy codes that require the use of energy-efficient light fixtures, such as light-emitting diode or LED fixtures. These fixtures consume less energy than traditional incandescent or halogen fixtures, which can help to reduce energy costs and minimize environmental impact. Light pollution is another growing concern, particularly in urban areas. To address this issue, some building codes may restrict the use of overly bright or poorly shielded light fixtures that can contribute to sky glow and glare. Consider also that the installation of balcony lighting must comply with all applicable electrical codes and safety standards. It is essential to hire a qualified electrician to perform the installation work to ensure that it is done safely and correctly. The electrician will be able to properly wire the light fixture, connect it to the building's electrical system, and ensure that it is properly grounded. They will also be able to advise you on the appropriate type of wiring and conduit to use, as well as any other safety precautions that need to be taken. When selecting a light fixture for your balcony, it is important to choose one that is appropriate for outdoor use. Outdoor light fixtures are typically designed to be weather-resistant and able to withstand exposure to rain, snow, sun, and wind. They are also typically made of durable materials that will not rust or corrode over time. You should also consider the style of the light fixture and how it will complement the overall aesthetic of your building. There are many different types of outdoor light fixtures available, ranging from traditional lanterns to modern spotlights. You can choose a fixture that matches the architectural style of your building or one that adds a unique touch of personality. When planning your balcony lighting, it is also important to consider the placement of the light fixture. The ideal location will depend on the size and shape of the balcony, as well as the desired level of illumination. In general, it is best to position the light fixture so that it provides even illumination across the entire balcony surface. You may also want to consider installing multiple light fixtures to create a more layered and visually appealing lighting scheme. For example, you could install a ceiling-mounted light fixture to provide general illumination, as well as wall-mounted sconces to provide accent lighting. In summary, determining whether a light is required on your balcony in Massachusetts requires consulting your local building department. While general guidelines suggest that balconies accessible from habitable rooms typically need lighting for safety, specific codes vary. Consider factors like balcony size, building type, and energy efficiency when planning your balcony lighting. Always ensure compliance with electrical codes and safety standards, and choose weather-resistant fixtures suitable for outdoor use. Proper placement and layering of light fixtures can enhance both safety and aesthetics.